Here we have a very large, oversized, monumental volume that contains an assortment of 19th century sheet music. It's in this period quarter leather binding with raised gilt bands and a gilt title here with compartments that are stamped with ornaments. The former owner's name is gilt stamped on the front cover, as binders would often do if a person had their book bound for them, which was common at this time. There's a very interesting color lithographed index leaf at the front that has not been filled out. We see within, for instance, a number of the works of music have these color lithographed frontis titles, and several of the leaves, because the book was used, I guess, so extensively, have been repaired long ago by an early owner. We see signs of usage. There's a small staining and like this. And what I'll do now is attempt to show the contents with some of the covers as much as possible, because there's quite a number of them. And this is interesting here. This has been repaired. It's always interesting, actually, when books like this show signs of somebody really putting a lot of time and energy into preserving their book. That's a very interesting lithographed cover there with a cat. It's, yeah. Okay, and here's Kitty Clyde. And there is How the Gates Came Ajar, Lay Me Down and Save the Flag. Interesting. Okay, there's an advertisement for an organ. Okay, little flag. Here we have a lithographed cover. There, and okay. Interesting. That's an interesting color lithographed Civil War image there, the Battle of Shiloh or Pittsburgh Landing in 1862. Yeah. Musically photographed by Charles Grobe. Interesting. Okay. And so, this bound volume of sheet music, as we see it and as it survives, is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.